Before buying a multifunctional toaster oven with air fry, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Gourmet French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Gourmet French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven caught my eye with its stunning design and impressive capacity, all for about $149.99. If you want to cook for a family without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. What makes this appliance stand out is its 25-quart capacity, which means you can fit a whole chicken or a 12-inch pizza with ease. The dual French doors make it super convenient to load and unload, especially when you're juggling multiple dishes. Plus, with 17 preset options, you can air fry, bake, broil, and even dehydrate, so dinner options are endless. The FryForce 360-degree technology circulates hot air around food for that crispy finish we all crave, and it reaches temperatures between 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's why this matters for you. It allows for precise cooking, ensuring your meals come out just right every time. Now, some people complained about how bulky it is on the countertop. Here's the thing though, if you have the space, the cooking versatility you gain makes it worth it. This is perfect for you if you frequently cook for a crowd or love meal prepping. Skip this one if you have a small kitchen and need something compact. For the price, you get a lot of cooking power here. Now, if the size of the Gourmet bothered you, the next option takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Black & Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fry Countertop Oven. Next up, we have the Black & Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fry Countertop Oven, which is compact yet surprisingly powerful. It's priced to be budget-friendly, making it a steal for around $100. If you want something that saves space but still delivers, this is worth checking out. What I love about this one is its 5-in-1 functionality. You can air fry, bake, broil, toast, and even keep your food warm. That's a lot of options packed into a small footprint. It fits a 9-inch pizza or 4 slices of bread, perfect for quick meals or snacks. The Even Toast technology ensures your toast comes out golden every time, and the air frying feature means you can enjoy your favorite crispy foods with much less oil. This is particularly important if you're looking to make healthier choices without sacrificing flavor. Some users mentioned it can take a bit longer to cook than expected, but honestly, if you're okay with waiting a few extra minutes for perfectly cooked food, it's not a big deal. This is perfect for you if you live in a small space or need something for quick, healthier meals. Skip this one if you frequently entertain and need a larger capacity. For the price, it really delivers solid value. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger families.
Product number 3, Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Next on the list is the Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Priced around $159.95, this appliance combines functionality with a unique design that flips up for easy storage. If you want something that saves space while offering versatility, this one is worth your attention. This model boasts 8-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, roast, bake, and even dehydrate. The space-saving feature is really impressive. It takes up 50% less counter space when not in use. Plus, it has a capacity that can fit up to 6 slices of bread or a 12-inch pizza, meaning it can handle family meals with no problem. The Oven Crisp technology ensures even cooking, making sure your food is crispy on the outside and tender inside. This is crucial for getting that perfect roast or air-fried finish without the excess oil. However, some folks found the cooking time a bit longer than their traditional ovens. I'll be real with you. If you're looking for speed, this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you often cook for multiple people and want something energy efficient. Skip this one if you need a quick cook solution for just 1 or 2. For the price, you're getting a lot of features packed into a compact design. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle more cooking functions, let's move on to our next pick.
Product number 4, Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is next, priced at $189.99. This one really stands out with its sleek design and array of cooking functions. If you want a high-quality appliance that packs a punch, this is worth considering. The Cuisinart features 8-in-1 functionality, allowing for air frying, toasting, baking, and more. It has a spacious interior that can hold 6 slices of toast or a whole chicken, which is fantastic for family dinners. The Air Advantage technology optimizes airflow for crispy results, ensuring your food is cooked evenly and retains flavor. That's something you want, especially for crispy chicken wings or roasted veggies. It also has a range of temperature settings to help you achieve perfect results every time. Some users reported that it can be a bit tricky to clean, especially if you're not diligent about maintenance. But here's the thing, if you take care of it, the amazing cooking results are absolutely worth that extra effort. This is perfect for you if you love to experiment with different cooking techniques and want something that looks good on your counter. Skip this if you're looking for something totally hassle-free. Considering the features, it's a solid investment. Now, if you need something even larger and more versatile, let's take a look at the last option on our list.
Product number 5, Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven. With a capacity of 26 quart and loaded with features, this one is a bit of a premium option. If you want an oven that can truly replace your traditional one, this is worth checking out. This model elevates cooking with 24 different functions, from air frying to baking and roasting. The large capacity means it can handle everything from snacks to full meals for gatherings. The dual-speed fan helps achieve perfectly crisp results, so you can impress your guests with homemade dishes that taste like they were made in a professional kitchen. The stainless steel finish also looks fantastic and is easy to clean. However, some users mention that it can be a bit overwhelming with all the functions and settings. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the versatility it offers is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you love hosting and cooking large meals. Skip this one if you're looking for something simple and straightforward. For the features you're getting, it's a great investment for serious cooks.
So there you have it. We covered the Gourmet French Door, Black & Decker Crisp and Bake, Ninja Air Fryer Combo, Cuisinart, and Emeril Lagasse's Extra Large Toaster Oven. Each has its unique strengths, tailored to different cooking needs. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or just looking for convenience, there's something here for everyone. Happy cooking!